Coming back off the Sunset Boardwalk, like I said, it's one way. And of course we did the Crane House, we did the Adderley House, we went to the Point, Joe Wood Trail, I guess that's past the Point, and Museum. No vehicles beyond this point. Crane Road. We've not been on this trail before.
No, I mean it's the same
Liam,
height.
you see that giant spider?
Look at that giant spider.
But this
I'm
one
going to
is,
pick you up so you can get closer.
this one's bigger than all the
It's
rest.
gonna fight me.
It's
that
not
we
going
saw.
to bite you. I'm not going to let you get that close. I just want you to see it right there.
Jamaica Dogwood.
Little ones there. I think they come out of the cave.
I'm Jamaican them crazy. Black ironwood again. But there's not just ironwood across from it. I wonder if they want to trim that branch. Oh, that is a cool breeze. Torchwood. So we're still on the Crane Trail, I believe.
Sunburn wood. The bark is always red and peeling.
Oh, yeah, I showed this in the video earlier.
Gumbo limbo.
Gumbo limbo.
Yeah, silly ant moan.
See, here's more.
Look at this braid.
Finally, the Crane Road is getting some shade. It's overgrown. Got the big spider web. And more gumbo limbo.
Oh my god, we're so far away.
Oh, see that? So Sunset Boardwalk we went, mangrove, palm, oh palm trail. Museum.
Okay, your picture. Come on. Come on, Garrett.
So we're gonna take the palm trail, and that should bring us back to the visitor center, the museum. Of course, the Crane Road will too. Yeah, it is a loop. Not a shortcut, it's a long cut. So there are a lot of roots on the ground on this trail. See that? Still on the palm trail. It's just a little loop around. Not sure you want to take it, although it is cooler in here than out there on the Crane Road or whatever it was. Another mangrove swamp.
I hope I'm going the right way.
Janet hopes she's going the right way. Blackbeard. I think those were palm trees.
Yes.
So I see palms, and I see this guy. Ugh. Wow. Well, it's broke off. Buttonwood. Oh, there's a cool breeze coming in. We're hearing the sound of distant thunder. And Janet swore she heard raindrops falling on the leaves, you know, the canopy above us. I don't know if it was the rustling of the wind or not, though. But we're probably headed for rain. Or rain is heading towards us, I should say. And I guess as long as we see these signs, we're on the trail, right?
Hay trail.
Oh yeah. I think we're coming to the end of the Palm Loop, Palm Trail, Palm Treat. No. I see the covered up golf carts there on the Crane Road. And I hear the voices of my group. And I'm guessing they're going to complain because I made them take this path. Oh, look at those. So we're almost back to the entrance. So here's the museum entrance.
How much are the popsicles?
$4.30.
They got a bunch of awards. More news. Weather permitting. Oh, look at the shadow. We're gonna go way out. There's Key West. We're gonna go way out to the dry Tortugas on a boat ride tomorrow. Key West right there. And Marathon is right there. Press button, please. Imagine it talks to you. Silver coins. Pieces of 8. How corals build a reef. To protect coral reefs. Protect who lives in coral reefs. Reefs are at risk. Here they are. And they have kids' activities in here. Hey, alligators and crocodiles. Oh, there's some little ones there, aren't there? A fatal accident. Ooh, a minky whale shark. Oh, whale skull. Whale shark. There's a swordfish and a pygmy sperm whale skull. A swordfish sword. That's what flew by us. Or maybe it was that one. And now it's here. Snails. Marathon. And that's the museum. It is a bowling ball, but a 2-hole. Well, that was our day at Crane Point Hammock. Remember, hammock is like a forest or whatever. It's the thing you lay in, but that's not what this is. So we're saying adios. Oh, did I show you these though when we came in?
I don't think that guy owns the store.
See these orchids? And of course this staghorn.
Are you gonna do that at your house?
Whew, it tickled me.
I'd love to.
With some
So,
Orchids and
I'm
wired
scared
berries.
saying, see you in the next port. Bye.